Good evening, everyone. This is the National Weather Service with a briefing on the winter weather expected this week, the week of February 10th, 2025. Start off with our key messages, and in general, we're expecting 2 rounds of wintry weather this week, beginning this evening, Monday evening, and lasting through Wednesday evening. Snow, rain, freezing rain, and sleet will all be possible with these wintry systems. And the second round of winter weather looks to be more impactful than the first. Now, there are a lot of question marks and unknowns regarding these systems at this time that we'll dive into throughout this briefing. Starting with the first system beginning this evening, here's a map of what we're expecting regarding snow and ice amounts. The first area that I want to bring your attention to is this pink circle highlighted across southern and south central Missouri. Here's where we expect the greatest potential for a glaze of ice. Again, beginning this evening and lasting through Tuesday morning. In this yellow box, this is where we have the potential for a band of snow to develop sometime late Tuesday morning into early afternoon. This is a low confidence scenario here, so we have about a 10% chance of a snow band producing 2 to 4 inches of snow. Now, this map is also a little bit misleading in that we have these snowfall totals across southern Missouri, but we don't expect snow to fall everywhere. It's a low potential of a narrow band of snow falling somewhere in that yellow box that could produce up to 2 to 4 inches of snow. So we expect many areas north of Highway 60 to remain dry through Tuesday. This is a look at our winter storm severity index, which is a model to try to show impacts of our wintry weather. And what you can see there is that our impacts are expected to be limited through our forecast area. And that's the lowest category on this scale. Looking at our timeline, you can see that our precipitation chances start to increase throughout the overnight hours and lasting into Tuesday morning. This map here is organized from north to south, and so what you see is that locations to the north are mainly expected to see snow if they do see any precipitation, and then locations farther south are more likely to see mixed precipitation and rain. Now let's move on to the second round of wintry weather. And this one will begin sometime late Tuesday night or early Wednesday morning. And again, we do expect the potential for this system to be more impactful than the first. So what you see there on the right is a map of the winter storm severity index. And you see moderate impacts are widespread across central and west central Missouri, with decreasing impacts as you go farther south. Here's a map of our expected snow and sleet totals, and again what you're seeing is that there's greater confidence in heavier snowfall totals across central and west central Missouri, and then you see decreasing amounts farther to the south. And in this green oval area, this is where we expect a wintry mix of basically all sorts of different precipitation types. It could be rain, it could be freezing rain, sleet, snow. The reason why there's so much uncertainty in that highlighted area is that our temperatures could be very close to freezing. And so literally 1 degree of temperature could make all the difference in what type of weather that we can get. But in general, the expectation is that snow is more likely across central and west central Missouri, and then rain is more likely across far southern Missouri and near the Missouri-Arkansas border, with a transition somewhere in between. Timing-wise, with this second system, you see those precipitation chances start to increase after midnight Tuesday night, and really are highest Wednesday morning into Wednesday afternoon before they start to decrease pretty quickly Wednesday evening and into Wednesday night. So our greatest impact for that system is likely going to be Wednesday morning into Wednesday afternoon. So that's all for this briefing. Again, we want to highlight the significant amount of uncertainty with these systems. So keep up to date with the forecast. You're likely to see amounts change and see precipitation types change over the next couple of hours and 12 to 48 hours. So keep up with the forecast and make sure you follow us on X, on Facebook, and right here on YouTube for the latest forecast.